everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishnavi Vaghule. So this video is the unboxing of iPhone 11. As usual, I did the unboxing of the phone beforehand, but it was captured by my sister. So ta-da! This is iPhone 11 128GB which costed me around 60k. While talking about the phone, as per the latest acknowledgement by the company, the new packing of the iPhone 11 box consists of the iPhone, a adapter, a user manual, the key and a lightning cable. So I bought this adapter from the iPhone store near me. So setting up the initial phone settings were quite easy and quick as I have a MacBook, I have the Apple ID. To be honest, the only drawback I felt is the adapter is not been given in the box. But nevertheless, iPhone is a brand that has a fixed specific users or buyers, those who all buy whichever latest model is released by the company. So this is my side about the phone. Now if you are planning to buy a new phone by Apple, there are many more amazing options available in the market. As the company has launched new iPhone, there is iPhone mini and iPhone 12. I bought this phone as it was compatible for me.